All right, okay. Let's try to find another song by Lionel Richie. Lately, ayan. Lately, ayan.
Breakouts happen at the worst times, so soothe and stabilize them.
Grabe din tong
New
kwento
Calendula
ng
Duo.
kantang to, Lately. Ito yung, 'di ba, yung parang napapansin niya na nagbabago na ng ugali yung kanyang partner. Yung pala may iba nang, oo, may iba na. Lately I had the strangest feeling, with no vivid reason here to find. Yeah, the thought of losing you have been hanging round my mind. Far more frequently you're wearing perfume, with you say no special place to go. But when I ask, will you be coming back soon? You don't know, never know. Well, I'm a man of many wishes. I hope my premonition says what I really feel. My eyes won't let me hide, 'cause they always starts to cry. 'Cause this time could mean goodbye. Ouch. Eba, shout out. Lately I've been staring in the mirror, very slowly picking me apart, trying to tell myself I had no reason with your heart. Just the other night while you were sleeping, I vaguely heard you whisper someone's name. But when I asked you if you that thought you were keeping, you just say nothing's changed. Well, I'm a man of many wishes. Hope my premonition says, but while I really feel, my eyes won't let me hide, 'cause they always start to cry. 'Cause this time could mean goodbye. Oh, I'm a man of many wishes. I hope my premonition says what I really feel. My eyes won't let me hide, 'cause they'll always starts to cry. 'Cause this time could mean goodbye. Grabe, oh, grabe ang kantang yan, di ba? Can you imagine pagka ikaw yung lalaki tapos nahalata mo na may pagbabago na sa kinikilos ng iyong partner, di ba? Nakakapagpakababag. Ano? Tama ba? Oo, di ba? Oo. Ewan ko ba? Alright, okay, let's